I have nothing but kind words and raving praises for the Big Start Education and Visa Corporation. I went to their office last September 2024 to ask their assistance for my immigration self-petition. The process was fast and straightforward. All necessary procedures were explained and executed timely. After 4 months, me and my daughter immigrant visa, widower visa IW1 and IW2 was already approved, and we are preparing to leave this April 2025. Huge thanks to Big Start family and especially to Miss Sarah and Miss Ayla in answering all our queries and easing and fears and doubts every time our appointments are nearing. Now, looking forward to closing a chapter to our lives as a new exciting ones begin. Thank you, Lord, for the Big Start.